Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder. Let's get the car in that we're building. On that camera right over there that I'm looking at right now, you can see what we're building. In the background you can see the lighting that does something that shows you which car this is. No, you read the title. It's the KITT Knight Rider kit, and we haven't got that much to do. As you can see right here, the pieces are out there. So you can see these are MIT. These are the parts that we're only putting on a little bit on that, and this last stage we're just putting on the stage itself. So let's start with the one that I've got right in front of me and turn the belly cam on and the lights up. So what I've already done, I've taken cable P out, which is more or less the only cable that we can get out at the moment, and we're going to put that into, that is a light bulb, or LED light I should say, and I usually use the tweezer to push that in. Let's go to the next step and get the bumper out, which is this one, which is a really nice big one. And as you can see on the top there, that's where we're going to connect that. And let's see how we connect it. Yeah, with the light down. I find that a bit strange because it's going all the way down there and it's not actually showing quite a lot of light. Alright, let's get those BPs out that we got on this stage and see what it looks like when we put it in. Let's see if whether or not I put it into the right side. No, I think I put it into the wrong side. And this looks so much more like it. Have a look at that. That is how you put it in. And then when we put that into that crevice, it looks so much better. So make sure you put the light on to the high side, not into the high side, or into the elbow, or more or less like I'll show you in a second. And we're going to use all cameras, so I'm going to switch to the side camera, the other side camera now. Make sure you have that shown, so that comes up and that the light goes in there. We can always twist it around to put it in the right position. Now let's see what we do. So we're going to twist it because we're going to put the light through that side. And as you see, that is the best way to do it. Push it down slowly, push it through those posts that are there, and then we can put that sticker in somewhere there. And then that first stage is done. And that is what we should have. And I'm doing it on this camera because we've got a lot of lights on this camera. So that's it, and that's this stage done. First stage finito, and that was stage 99. So we've got 100 now, which is the number plate that can twist. And we've got those parts and a triangle. I'm going to put that away because we might be able to use that. A triangle for, we've got Knight, KNI 669, Knight, and Knight California. Oh, okay, twice Knight California. All right, we're going to push this one in. Is there a certain way to push that in? So we've pushed it in like so. Then we're going to get the number plate out, or the bumper, and put that onto the posts that are there, and then you get something like that. Then we've got those two bridges that we keep the stuff into, and there is a little cushion in there, or more or less, how could you say that? That little thing goes down, and then we put some other BPs on. Don't over tighten it just yet. You do that when the second screw comes in. And when this is done, we're going to see if that twisting motion works properly. So I've got that tightened up. We tightened that one up as well. And now we should, oh, that's a bit tight now, that's all right. So you get that. You can either go to night, KNI 669, 667, or back to night. And there's 3 nights in there, 2 nights in there, and 2, and then that's KNI. And we're going to get the car in, or the body, because we need to put those in. And I don't want to scratch it, so there we go. I don't know if you can see it, but we'll be putting it into those points there, where my finger's coming out. That one. We've got one on the other side as well. So we're going to turn it around carefully and see how we put those in. That's the right side. So that's left here. There you go. You can't see it, but let me just show you there. Right there, it's in like so, and it needs to be more or less flush. Then we put that silver one in, putting that on a piece of cardboard because of the mirror that is there. But we are going to put 2 GMs on this side, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side, of course. So let's get that screwdriver out and do this. And we are going to get a bit of oil out because this is an M screw. Because we're going into metal, we've got it in right there. We're not going to do the same thing, but on the other side. So right there, you see that light is in there. Right there. And we've done the same thing on the other side. Let's see. That is 101 done as well. Have completed. So let's get 102 out. And I'm going to leave the cloth out just to make sure that I don't scratch the stuff that is coming. And this is the last stage. As you can see, this is the interior. We're going to firstly put that one in. Can you see that properly? That one in there. But I see we've forgotten something. We have that silver opening mechanism that should go in there with a screw. And actually we don't really need to screw that in, but we put a DP in that. As you can see right there, that DP on to get that silver opening mechanism in there. Now we can put that. We can put that on. Easiest way to do it is from the top, of course, from the side where that where those pins are. Then we're gonna get that one out and put them onto those posts. That keeps everything in its position, and we're going to put some BPs in on the side here. And I don't know what we do with that one in the middle, but most probably will be the same anyway. Then do the whole new, they use a whole new page to put that last screw in. Wow. So we've got the 3 BPs in 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3, as you can see right there. Now you can open it like that and put something in there. Now, the one with that goes to this position. I don't get it. Is it like so? I think it is. So we put it in like so, and we get a BP out, and then we've got another very small one, and you see where I put that in. And I'm going to show you just right there how that should be in. Have a look at that. That is the post that comes up, and then like that. And that one goes into that position. And as this is a sort of welding glue, the plastic goes soft straight away, so it's easier to put in. And then we've put that little thing in right there. And that's it for this stage. We've built this lovely thing. And that is the whole build for the kit. We're waiting on stages 103, 4, 5 and 6. That should be coming in quite soon. But we've got a Enterprise to come, we've got a Tumbler to come, we've got a Lancaster to come, we even have an Ecto to come, and I think there is a Millennium Falcon as well. I don't know if I said that before, but thank you very much for joining me again, guys. Thank you so much, much appreciated. The number of subs that I have gone up quite a bit. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate that. Let me just show you what we have to show for. That is all we have to show for that, and the lights that we put on the sides here. And in the background you see all the other ones that I have, and you see as well the Optimus Prime is growing like crazy. We've just got one more part to go. I've got a bit of the Matrix of Leadership already in there, and a blaster, but that's it. And I really hope you enjoyed it. Please check out my channel. I've got quite a few videos out. And like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time. I hope you will. Thank you very much. Bye bye.